5 most expensive Ferraris ever made. There's something out of this world about melting into the elegant interior of a Ferrari that sets off a roller coaster of emotions. Granted, these emotions might vary depending upon how rich you are. For even the most wealthy still have mixed feelings when it comes to purchasing a Ferrari because, truth be told, they are expensive. And there's no denying that these particular models are solely for those who money is an object to play with. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Yes, Ferraris are worth more than the mega classic mansions we see in Hollywood, and you have to be audaciously wealthy and daring to splash the amount of money for some of the Ferraris on this list. On that note, we take a look at some of the most eye-watering models whose price tags move daringly into the multi-millions of dollars. Ferrari 250 GT SUV California. The Ferrari 250 GT SUV California emerges as a rare and distinguished gem in the world of post-war automobiles, capturing unparalleled attention, especially at auctions. With only 56 models ever crafted by Ferrari, its exclusivity is a testament to its desirability among collectors. Originating from the year 1961, this engineering marvel is further distinguished by the fact that only 16 of the 56 units feature open headlights, adding to its unique appeal. The car's celebrity connection enhances its allure, having been owned by the elegant French actor Alain Delon during his peak as a prominent male superstar in Europe. The discovery of this particular beauty in a barn adds a touch of mystery and nostalgia to its story. Currently valued at a staggering $15 million, it prompts contemplation about the hidden treasures that might lie within seemingly ordinary places, sparking curiosity about the potential fortunes concealed in old barns. The Ferrari 250 GT SUV California stands as not just a luxurious vehicle, but a symbol of automotive craftsmanship and historical significance. Ferrari 250 Testarossa. The Ferrari 250 Testarossa stands as an enduring icon in the annals of automotive history, evoking an era when the mere mention of the Ferrari name stirred the passions of racing enthusiasts. During its zenith, this majestic machine captivated onlookers, its sleek design and timeless beauty serving as a testament to Ferrari's prowess on the racing circuit. The Testarossa's graceful aging has not diminished its allure. Valued at over $16 million, it remains a shining example that age can indeed be synonymous with gold. Introduced during the golden era of racing in the late 1950s, this engineering marvel left an indelible mark, securing more than 10 major sports car championships across the racing circuits of North and South America. Its unparalleled success on the track has elevated the Testarossa to a revered status, prompting enthusiasts to lavish millions in pursuit of the chance to call this storied vehicle their own. The Ferrari 250 Testarossa not only embodies the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also encapsulates the essence of an era when the prancing horse symbolized the epitome of racing excellence. Ferrari 365p Berlinetta Tread Posti Special. On quite a number of occasions, the enigmatic Luigi Chinetti Jr. has admitted that unlike other Ferrari models his family engineered for dominating races, the Berlinetta Tread Posti Special was an expression of art crafted more like a sculpture of elegance rather than a machine for dominating races. It's no surprise that there are only 2 of its kind on the entire planet. Its aesthetics way is not the only characteristic that captures your attention. Fitted with a Ferrari 12 mid-engine chassis with an aluminum body, the Tre Posti is no doubt the strongest Ferrari in the world. Unlike most of its Ferrari contemporaries, the Tre Posti is the only model to have a 3-seater design, which is a marvel in itself considering how tough it was for the stubborn and proud Enzo to veer too far from his classic 2-seater design. So either he must have been possessed or extremely inspired. Either way, this is one particular must-have model for any Ferrari lover. Just be prepared to part with a whopping $23.5 million. Ferrari 290mm Scaglietti Spider. With only 4 units of this precious model ever being made, it's no surprise that the 1956 Ferrari 290mm Scaglietti Spider is considered one of the most spectacular Formula One cars of all time. Designed for the legendary Juan Manuel Fangio, the exceptional Formula One racer of his time. This sports car had one of the most extensive runs and never recorded an accident until it ceased being used in 1964. As a relic with an exceptional history, it's no surprise that this Ferrari was once auctioned in 2016 for a whopping $28 million. In fact, the car is so special that the owner rarely uses it on the road. I mean, who would want to put a scratch on such an expensive multi-million-dollar car? Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO stands out as the pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity in the world of sports cars. Its exceptional price tag is justified by its rarity, with only 39 units ever constructed. Beyond its scarcity, the 250 GTO boasts a storied history as the designated Ferrari car for racing during the 1962 season, adding to its allure. Experts in the automotive world consider it not only the most expensive Ferrari, but also the finest one ever created. The car's design reflects its high-performance capabilities, featuring a remarkable maximum speed of 320 miles per hour. Equipped with a powerful 12 engine, the 250 GTO was meticulously crafted for high-octane races, showcasing unparalleled versatility on the track. Its recent auction price of $52 million attests to its unparalleled value and desirability among collectors. As vintage Ferraris consistently appreciate in value due to their scarcity, it's foreseeable that the prices of these exceptional cars may experience a tenfold increase in the coming years. The mystique of the 250 GTO remains a magnet for billionaires seeking to augment their impressive car collections with this classic Ferrari. In the world of luxury automobiles, the 250 GTO stands as an enduring symbol of both prestige and performance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.